Hey family, what is up? It is Hoad here from Autism Music Australia and the Hoad School of Music. Today we're talking about funk, and by the end of this video I'm going to teach you how to play an awesome funk on the guitar with only one finger. Can it be done? Yes, 100% it can be done. So I put up a video on YouTube Shorts the other day. Let's check it out. Alright, so one finger the whole way through. Can it be done? Definitely. I'll tell you what, it's all about the groove. More than the left hand, this is about the right hand. Alright, so I really feel that the most important thing with this groove is the right hand, which I'll talk about in a second. Firstly, let's check out the chords that I'm using and what I'm doing with my left hand. So this is the chord I'm using with my left hand most of the time, and it's basically an A minor 7. What I'm doing with my right hand is I'm playing the high 4 strings. Okay, that's it. And with the left hand, I've got my first finger flat across the 5th fret on the high 4 strings, D, G, B, and E. Now basically that's kind of comes from an A minor chord. It's really an A minor 7 chord. That's the voicing, and this particular voicing I love. When I'm playing the full chord, I'll play it like this. I won't go down that rabbit hole today, but this is the way to start. So if you're a beginner guitarist just learning to play funk, this voicing is awesome. Now, this voicing actually comes from the blues scale, or the minor pentatonic scale, very similar scales. So if I play the blues scale, let's say, okay, and the minor pentatonic, basically they look like that. Now the cool thing about this scale is if you look here, you can see there's a group of 4 notes there, and that's basically what I'm playing in this funk pattern. The cool thing about it too is you can sort of modify this and move this around the guitar fretboard and go up to the 7th fret and also to the 8th fret. Now you can see in the picture there that a lot of those notes are already in those patterns, but I take kind of liberty here and it just sounds super cool. I won't break down the theory of it, but this sounds so cool. Going up here, and up here, and that's basically the frets that I'm going to in this funk pattern. Now the cool thing is at the moment I'm playing groups of 4 strings, so I've got 4 on there, then when I go up to that 7th fret and the 8th fret, they're groups of 4. But the cool thing is you can also do sets of 3. So with that same chord shape here, right, same chord shape there, except now I'm playing 3 strings. The right hand, 3 strings, and then 7th fret, 8th fret. And even cooler, I can also do that with only 2 strings. Okay, with my right hand there, I'm playing those high 2 strings. How cool is that? Now I'm in the key of A, which is why I'm based on the 5th fret there, and any combination of those chords I just showed you are going to work really well. But I think the most important thing of all with this is the right hand. So really what I'm doing is playing non-stop down, up, down, up, down, up, like this. So that's the first thing I would recommend to do, is just getting used to that. And if you're playing a fast funk, you want to be able to do that really quickly, right? The rhythm that I'm coming up with there, really, like I said, it's non-stop down, up, and it comes from 16th notes. Now, I won't go too much into the music theory, but what I'm really counting there is 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Another way to look at that is 4 groups of 4, and each group of 4 is down, up, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, that's what I'm doing. So what makes this so funky, we look at my left hand here, I'm playing groups of 3 and groups of 4. Let me show you what I mean. I'll start with groups of 4. So what I'm doing here is the first one of each 4, I'm putting the pressure down on the chord, okay? But the other 3 of that group of 4, I'm taking the pressure off. So I'm taking the pressure off the chord here and then going up, down, up, okay, with the right hand. So that's the group of 4, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I like making that really percussive, so what I'll often do with my left hand is actually use my other fingers to make that really dead. And then it's just a matter of getting it faster and faster, right? Sounds awesome. So there's those groups of 4. Let's talk about groups of 3 now. Now groups of 3 are a little bit trickier. So Same principle applies though. I'm going to go now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But what sets this apart is that right hand, okay? Going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now you get this rhythm where it's like down, up, 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 down, up. Here we go. Down, up, 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 down, up. Now I cannot stress enough how cool that rhythm is. It's like one of the coolest rhythms of all time. If you love artists like James Brown, Prince, and the Red Hot Chili Peppers, John Frusciante, you know, you hear that rhythm, those threes all the time. But the thing that really makes this so awesome, it's like the secret sauce. The rhythm, because we're playing 16th notes, right? Again, one bar is 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. What I love to do is play 4 groups of 3 and 1 group of 4. Okay, I'll say that again. 4 groups of 3 and 1 group of 4. That is like the secret sauce. Let's check it out here. So it sounds like this. I'll just count them as threes, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the last one is the group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow that down a bit. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. When I'm playing these rhythms, I kind of like to think of it like I'm having a conversation, as in when someone speaks a sentence, they'll say, "Hey man, how's it going?" Okay, so you hear that sort of vocalization, the tone change, da-da, 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 and you know it's the end, okay? Da-da, da-da, da-da. So when I'm counting these rhythms, I'll go da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. That's how I feel it, so I can really feel that. That kind of thing. Sometimes it helps. Theoretically, if you're going to count 16th notes, it's a little bit tricky. We've got 1 E and R2 E and R3 E and R4 E and 1 E and R2 E and R3 E and R4 E and. That's pretty tricky. But if I play that in context, this is what we got. We got on that left hand, okay? That's all I got. All I'm doing with the left hand is I'm moving around those different chord shapes that I showed you before, which is basically moving from here, up to here, up to here. And I'm either doing combinations of 4 or 3, or 2 strings. And I'm really just combining them with that rhythm. So there it is, the one finger funk. Now that's in the key of A, like I said. So if you've got your band playing something around A, okay, it's going to sound awesome. Now let's say we were in the key of G. Well, you'd have to move everything down 2 frets, right? A flat, there's my G there. So now my chord's here. So that's all going to move now to G. There's the first chord, second, third chord. Now some of those chords are more inside than others. Some sound a bit crunchy and a bit outside, but it does work, and it does work really well. It's a great cheat to playing awesome funk. Thanks so much. I've got heaps of other awesome videos. Please check them out. I'll see you soon.